Bons Cue PH made a post regarding Senate President Miguel Zubiri's disclosure of an offer for a 2-squadron-sized F-16 from a European Union member country for the Philippine government. And recently in an interview, Philippine ambassador to Washington Jose Manuel Romualdez confirmed that Denmark is one country that the Philippines is currently aiming to have its F-16. But it's not only Denmark that the Philippine government is currently looking at to have their pre-loved F-16s, but there are other European and non-European countries in which the Philippine Air Force is aiming to source out their fighting Falcons. From the information Bons Cue PH has, aside from Denmark, other European countries are being checked as a source of POF's F-16. This is Norway, Belgium, and Holland. These countries were also the first initial operators of F-16s in Europe and built the F-16 locally with technical assistance from the United States. The F-16 variant these countries have is the F-16AM, BMMLU, midlife upgrade, an upgrade of the European partner Air Force's F-16A, B Block 15 which these 4 European countries possess. An upgrade to its avionics that is already equivalent to the F-16C D Block 5052. These are the upgrades that will enable fighting Falcons to employ radar-guided air-to-air missiles and other long-range weapon systems. Ambassador Romualdez already disclosed the Philippines might have at least 12 F-16s from Denmark, but Bons Cue PH believes that the government will be aiming for at least 16 aircraft as the Philippine Air Force wants to introduce 16 aircraft per squadron for its fighter force, with the Philippine Air Force also hoping to have 2 squadron size of 32 F-16s. From the information shared with Bons Cue PH, the Philippine Air Force is also hoping to have 4 fighter squadrons, with 2 of those squadrons will be composed of US-made fighters, like the F-16 Fighting Falcon. With this, another country will be a source of another batch of F-16s. Norway is already in the process of transferring 32 of its F-16s to Romania. This is coupled with its commitment also to supply Ukraine with some of its F-16s. While Belgium is still waiting for the delivery of its F-35 Lightning II before retiring its F-16s. It's highly probable, and as Bons Cue PH sources also indicated, that Netherlands will be the other source of the Philippine Air Force F-16s. Sources say the Royal Netherlands Air Force has a total of 68 F-16AM, BMMLU Fighting Falcons. Some of the surplus aircraft were sold to Chile and Jordan in the past years, and there are still some aircraft that will be up to possible sales. Netherlands is in the process of completing their 37 ordered F-35A Lightning II and will have more spares of their existing F-16 that will be up for possible sales and transfer.